Ecoer Hero Academy has been providing outstanding training to contractors across the U.S., empowering them with the skills to install Ecoer's innovative smart heat pump systems with precision and care. Recently, Aerom Mechanical installed an Ecoer unit in a Central Valley, California home where their expertise shone through. The owner is extremely pleased with the result and told Ecoer the contractor ran ducts through discrete areas such as the backs of closets and underneath floors, and made the retrofit clean and unobtrusive.